We are now camped at Patrick's Point State Park. We rolled in pretty late last night. The environment that we're in has changed dramatically from where we were before. Now we're in kind of a bit of a rainforest right here at the ocean's edge. There's a lot of ferns and moss, and the temperature is in the mid 50s right now in the middle of the day. We went from Redding yesterday, which was 102 degrees, to the mid 50s just by driving 100 and something miles. It's crazy how you just drive around here and you can have a completely different environment. This is a really nice private spot and it's really cool. We're like in kind of a pretty cool forest setting. We're actually just on the edge of a cliff overlooking the ocean. If you were to just go back behind me there, the ocean is right out there. We're gonna go get in our car now and drive over and check out some of the Redwood National Park and see what kind of trails we can find there to check out. We've arrived at the Redwood National Park Visitor Center. We're going to go in and check out what they have here and pick up a map of the park.
It's so small, isn't it? Boy, they get fat fast.
I can't wait until I'll get soaked. These are huge. I love this grappa. And then they ran away came up that car.
Yeah, you should have taken your shoes off. So Nolan, now that you got your shoes wet, you're taking them off?
You could drown that.
Right behind the visitor center is this really pretty beach. The ranger actually told us that this is one of the few sunny days she's seen in the past month or so. So we got really lucky with the weather today. There's no fog or anything, just a beautiful sunny day. It's definitely not beach weather though. It's probably 60 degrees if we're lucky out here. The kids don't seem to mind. They've gone in up to their knees in the water so that they could say they touched the Pacific.
Yeah, we didn't bring any extra clothes for Nolan. Like our campground's a ways away and his pants are really, really gross.
We're dirty.
I tried to take a bath with salt water.
You tried to take a bath with your clothes on and then the dirt?
The ocean.
You took a bath in the ocean?
Yeah.
And how are you gonna get dry? And by the way, is it hot outside or cold right now? Okay. It's like in the 60s. Are you feeling cold now? Oh. Okay. So as you saw, they both like got in the ocean, slash fell in the water, all kinds of stuff, and they got covered in water and sand. And we tried to rinse the tanks out a little bit and squeeze them out. And we had Nolan's like dangling out the window on the way here tonight. And we had him cleaned off, and then he decided to put them back on in the parking lot. So then it got all this stuff all over it. Yeah. So I don't know. Anyways.
They get to
Whatever.
take a hike in damp pants.
Yep.
More like wet pants.
Yeah, they're more than damp.
We are in Redwoods National Park, and we're taking the little hike to go see the redwoods in the Lady Bird Johnson Grove right now. I already see some redwoods. Not the super giant ones, but they're definitely big. What do we have over here? Can you get in there? This one is hollow inside. You could actually get completely in there if you wanted to. This is why they're called redwood trees, because the inside is red. Which you would think the sequoias would be called redwoods because they're actually red on the outside. So that's kind of interesting, huh? Six trees all connected, huh? There's a huge burl up there too. Wow, that's cool. You guys seen any Ewoks yet? Oh, there goes one. There's an Ewok. Whoa, look up how tall this thing is. Wow. That's a pretty cool looking area right there. You saw an Ewok house? Oh wow, look at that. It does look like one, huh?
There's a lot of Ewok houses down here, so I think the Ewoks made the trail.
You do?
There's lots of houses.
Where are the Ewoks?
Down there.
They're down there, huh?
Saw a creek.
Saw Creek, that's where they hang out?
I want you to believe only in the
An Ewok playground, huh?
Because we're in the Ewok forest, right?
Yeah.
You don't think you could get down? He's gonna get. I hope he doesn't fall. We're gonna find out. He'll be okay. He'll be okay, right? His legs aren't that long. Thanks, Kylie.
So this tree has baby hair, like kind of like ducklings have down. It has baby hair because it's a baby redwood. Or at least that's what I think it is. Baby hair. It's soft and mushy.
Oh yeah, it is squishy. Weird.
Come in. Oh, back here is one of the hanging mosses. It's an Ewok house. Yeah, Ewok!
That looks like an Ewok house, doesn't it?
Yeah, show me!
You guys actually seen Star Wars?
Ewok doors, human doors. So if you go in this jungle, you can find Ewok houses like this one.
Like that one?
This human door, that's the Ewok door.
You're an Ewok-sized person, huh? What else we got back through here? The next Ewok house. This one looks a little bit smaller than the other one did.
You have to go across bridges to get across Ewok Town. So come up.
Okay, I'll come up.
Ewok rope. That's how they climb up.
Okay.
And there's the Ewok house right there. Come in. Just sit over here. So. Okay, there's the window.
This place definitely gives you a little bit of a different feel from the sequoia forest. Here there's a lot of ferns and things seem a little bit more wet. There's a lot more moisture from the ocean around here. The redwoods definitely are a little different in color, and they're not as fat as the sequoias, but they are definitely as tall, and in some cases much taller than the sequoias. It's hard to judge scale when these things are so huge. Wow, that is a cool tree. So many of these trees are hollow inside, but yet they are still completely alive at the top, as you can see up there. This is called Rocky Point. We are just right behind our campground. It was just a short walk down here to this amazing rocky scenery with the sea and the waves. It's super beautiful. The cliffs are amazing, and there's even some sea lions we saw and some rocks. We're gonna maybe go down and check out some tide pools that are down a little lower, see what's in them. We saw some little hermit crabs in this tide pool. We found a cool starfish right here.
No, it's not.
Crab.
You found a little crab?
Wait, Daddy, is it just like a rock? There's that. Wait, I want to see that one. Floater. What's a floater?
It's the things that make the kelp float. They're like little balloons.
Why do they exist? What is that?
Those are pretty anemones.
I thought they were anemones.
Oh, and it's
Pick it up.
Found a cool little red crab. I think Lila found a sea cucumber here.
Spits. I found
No, oh, be careful.
Ew, it's spitting.
Oh, weird, it's spitting out liquid.
Why was it crazy? Pick him up! Quick!
We are at low tide right now, but we're running out of time. It's really cool down here in these tide pools. We found all kinds of cool sea creatures, but we probably should start heading up now that low tide is over and tide is coming back in. We found some banana slugs. Nolan did actually. Hold it right side up. It's not very nice. How's it feel?
disgusting.
It pooped on you.
Look at this. Ew!
What? Slimy.